Hey everybody, this is Stacy from Our Unscripted Reviews, and today is Keto Sunday. We use our Sundays to do our blood pressure testing, our ketone testing, and our glucose testing, as well as our official weigh-in days. And we generally use it for planning for the week. So we're going to get started with the blood pressure. We have a, I don't know, is this called balance? That's what it says on the thing. Oh, I plug it in on this side. It's usually already plugged in. It is.
We usually set it up for.
It's got an A and B user so that you can track the stats for two people. And then we have an app on our phones, also called Balance. This is what it looks like. And it shows, I think, my average. Oh, the last reading and my average on there. So just turn it on, hit start, and let it do its thing.
It does pair with your phone.
And there's an error.
Error! Well, that was fun.
I don't know what that means.
It means you probably set it up wrong.
Is it ever gonna shut off?
There you go, 118.65. Sync into your phone now.
Which is almost the same as last week.
Yep, pretty close. Yep. All right, so we're gonna do Stacy's, and then we're gonna do mine. So we'll do all her stuff at one time, and then we'll do all mine.
Also on this, there's a thing that tells you where to line it up to align it with your artery. I'm never sure if I get it in the right spot, but it's close enough.
Seems to be. All right.
Put my jacket back on.
Part that I enjoy the most: the pricking of Stacy's finger. What do you want to test first? Ketones or glucose?
I don't care.
She can't even watch.
This surprisingly does not have an app. I can't believe he didn't get one that doesn't have an app.
What?
This machine. Device.
Oh, yes. All right, so.
You're pushing too hard. You're pushing too hard. Stop. No, seriously, it's gonna hurt.
And give her a little poke.
Ow.
And she has to milk it. Load it up. 86. Out with the old. Right. Wait for it to boot up. And we wait. No whammies, no whammies, no whammies. Oh, 1.5. Hey, that's pretty good for just waking up.
That's what it was last week.
Was it?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. All right, it's my turn. So I switched the little switchy here to user A, because that's me, right? You're user B. And we'll hit the start button. It's probably good to note that I do have high blood pressure. And I do take medication. I just took it. So if it's a little elevated, it's probably the reason. It's probably going to be like 135, 138 or something like that.
Why does it go faster for you than it does for me?
129 over 72. Hey, that's pretty good.
Now you get to poke yourself.
Yes, I like poking myself. Alright, so I can get rid of this.
So that has a little, if you want to demonstrate how that works,
So,
to get rid of the needle safely.
So this was one of the things that I was like, so to get rid of the needle safely, the little stem, the things that come with, you basically, when you break it off, you just sort of stab it into it. And then this has an ejector. You just kind of, once it's on there nice, you just kind of do that sort of deal. And there it is, along with Stacy's trash. Let me grab another lance, put it in, then you just unscrew this.
Pokey thing too.
Stacy is a 3, and I was a 5, but I've actually found a spot where I can do a 3, even though it hurts more. I'm not sure if that makes any sense.
How does that hurt more?
The spot that I do it now, it seems to hurt more than the other one. So we'll go ahead and do a little prick. That one's ready?
What?
She's not watching mine either. She's burying her head. Ah! Blood. Well, maybe I should have gone a 5 because this is what usually happens right here.
You may have to get poked twice.
Yeah, I'm gonna get poked twice. Luckily, I'm not a baby about it. Increasing in it, the power. All right, here we go. Doing it again. Ah! All right. Glucose 102. Fasting glucose 102. All right, and ketones. .5.
I beat you.
Stacy has more in her blood this week than I do. Alright guys. So that is it.
Oh, I gotta
for now.
throw stuff away.
And we will be back. Alright guys, so we're back. We had some pancakes. They were okay. It was an experience. So we're still on the search. If you got any good pancake recipes, put it down below. We got a current contender, so we'll be doing some more pancake recipes, trying to find the best pancake recipe, because Stacy is a pancake connoisseur. She loves a good pancake. I, however, not so much. And I got pizza eggs, so I'm good.
Still don't know what those are.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and test my post-eating glucose. It's been about an hour and a half-ish.
Something like that.
Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and shoot myself in the finger. Glucose is 95.
Having some troubles?
They're already healed. There we go. 1.3.
Bumped up.
Sweet. All right, guys. So that's where I'm at. Let's get Stacy's.
You lost your little
No.
stick thing over there.
So unfortunately, it wasn't recording at the time. So now it is. So there's my glucose.
Does it save it?
It does. It retrieves the last so many.
I didn't know that.
I'm gonna go clean up. I'll be right back. Lock and loaded.
Did you change the setting?
Yeah, just pick the 3.
Okay.
She's a little nervous.
Ow! Ow! God damn it!
If you wouldn't have wiggled, I wouldn't have pressed the button. Hey, it's bleeding. We got a bleeder.
Are you gonna say that every time?
No. It hasn't made it into film yet.
It's kind of annoying. Are you ready?
I'm ready. 79. Looks pretty good.
Lower than what it was before.
Ketones. Squeeze of the finger.
What does 965 mean?
It's the code number. It's the first time I've actually let her touch the device. 2.1! Oh my god.
Beat you again!
Hey, Stacy is in some serious ketosis over here.
Sweet.
Now, incoming screenshot. So what does that really mean, guys? Well, it means that we're both in ketosis. The levels themselves, Stacy's body's probably reacting a bit more strongly to it because of the fact that she had a very intense carb diet, and mine, I didn't really eat a lot of carbs. Breads were my weakness. It's like those carbs you don't really expect that you're really eating. Like it's not
Bread
like
is
you're
carbs.
eating
like a lot of
unhealthy foods. Like you're not thinking sweets and stuff. But I did drink a lot of soda. Well, I guess I didn't really drink a lot of soda. I did at one time drink a lot of soda. But I had already cut back to like 1 a day. But I had like a little bit of sugar in my coffee, and a little bit of sugar, for the breads that I would eat, like tortillas or whatever foods that usually it's the device that is getting the food to my mouth. Not necessarily
Chips and salsa.
Chips and salsa. I cut back on that quite a bit too, though. But it's the sneaky carbs that catch up to you. So.
Stay random.
Stay random, guys. See you later.